Good morning, this is meteorologist Ted Keller with your Weather Geeks report for today. Hey, summer cool fronts are great. We have one upstate. It is really right around the I-70 area. This front will move through. A lot of summer fronts don't. This one will, actually, by midweek. And it'll do two things. It'll increase our rain chances and also give us those cooler temperatures you would expect. Now, at 9 o'clock, the temperature was already up to 79. Headed into the 80s very quickly here by noon today, obviously. And I think our high today will end up being in the lower 90s, but the humidity has been reasonable. Sure, high for summer, but not to the point where the combination of heat and humidity is going to require any kind of heat advisory. So at the jet stream level, the hot air is backing off going this way. We have a predominant flow of northwesterly winds in the upper atmosphere, troughs of low pressure that rotate around that. So each of these serves to produce a cool front. This is the one right here that's sending the latest front on through. Now, as far as rainfall is concerned, and I always take these with a slight grain of salt in summer because the fronts themselves and the thunderstorms that form along them tend to redefine things, but it has consistently looked like the heavier rainfall is going to be north of Springfield during this entire frontal passage. There's actually a secondary front kind of backing this up upstate. So, yeah, we don't really need a whole lot of rain. Any little bit, of course, in summer helps. And doesn't look at this point as if it'll be too excessive for the Ozarks. So on Wednesday, this is a trough of low pressure aloft that will put the final icing on that front, moving it through at least for a couple of days. But I want you to notice the hot air bubble is backed up to Arizona by midweek. So our high on Wednesday with cloud cover and showers should only be around 86. But by Friday, this moves back a little bit more to the east, and by Sunday, it moves back to the east a little bit more. So this weekend we'll be back in the 90s, I think, for sure. Humidity won't build back right away this week, but I think by the end of this time period, right around the late part of the weekend, we will start to see it go climbing back up once again.